Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add bank account to Coinbase. So in order to do this, simply open up your Coinbase application and you will see this page. So this is Coinbase dashboard where you'll have to simply click on the 9-dotted icon at the top left of the screen. So click on this dice icon at the top left and it will show you this page, that is the Coinbase settings page. Here you'll have to click on the profile and settings text just at the bottom right of your profile picture. Now, when you click on this text, it will take you up to this page. So this is payment methods page. On this page, click on the add payment method button available just at the bottom of payment methods that are already available. So after you click on the add payment method button, it will take you up to this page. Here, you can add bank accounts, you can add debit card, PayPal, direct deposit payment method, wire transfers, and also you can use gift cards on this page. So, in order to add a bank account to your Coinbase, click on the option that says bank account, through which you can invest large amounts, you can use it to buy crypto and deposit or withdraw cash. So click on bank account option and it will show you this pop-up. So this says link your account instantly. Coinbase partners with Plaid to securely connect to your bank account in seconds. So you'll have to click on the continue button here and it will take you to another page. Now on this page, click on the continue button again. So it says Coinbase uses Plaid to connect your account. You can connect effortlessly and your data will be stored safely. So after clicking on continue button on this page, it will take you up to this page where you can add your phone number. Now, you can use your phone number to log in or sign up with Plaid to go faster next time. If you don't want to add your phone number, you can simply click on maybe later. If you want to add it, you can click on continue. That will make your logging in easier. So after you do this, you'll be on this page that says select your institution. So here what you'll have to basically do is select your bank account. You can also search for the name of your bank and click on the bank's icon. After you select your bank's icon, it will take you to this login to your bank's page where you'll have to choose if this is a checking or saving account. Also, you'll have to click on this profile information button. Now, when I check out both of these buttons, it will show continue to login button at the bottom. When you click on this button, it will instantly open up your bank's login page where you'll have to enter your bank's username and password, then click on the sign in button. After you sign in using your bank account, you will see your bank account added to this payment method section. So by following these steps, you can easily add bank account to Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.